Hello, my people. So I'm gonna give y'all a recipe that I'm doing, even though it ain't Taco Tuesday, it's Wing Wednesday. But I had a taste for, kind of like a taco, and you probably seen these at Taco Bell, where it's like a taco pie or whatever. So I got my ground beef that I made, and I mixed in some butter case cheese. You can put any cheese that you want, put it on how you want, but I mixed mine in. I'm gonna heat this up again. Then I used 2 teaspoons of this siete, I think it's pronounced siete, taco seasoning. Very good ingredients. If you've been watching me for a while, you know this is what I use for my taco seasoning. As you can see, very good ingredients in here. Um, I'm frying my taco shells, my wraps in this duck fat. This is how it looks. This is the brand that I use, Siete. This is the brand that I use, Siete. I love all of their stuff because it's pretty much clean ingredients. Um, yeah, so today I'm eating more of a keto way. So my other tortilla is ready, so let me put that together and then I will come back and show you the final results. So as you can see, I spread my beef mixture on. I did add on a little bit more, some of this raw cheddar. And you just put your other tortilla on the top. And if you want to make this more of a keto, you can add tomatoes, onions, avocado. I'm not going to add those things just because outside of the tortilla flours, I want to stay as close to carnivore as I can and, not venture off too far. But you can make this however you want to. So let's see how it tastes. So I got me some sour cream right here in a bowl. Y'all can hear that. Let's see the crunch. Ooh. This cracked up pretty good. My. I might as well just eat this like a, y'all see how it fell apart? Because it's so crispy. Think. And it is delicious. So, this is my taco pie. Again, you can jazz it up however you want. I would normally put diced onions, diced tomatoes, and some avocado on this. But again, I'm trying to stick as close to carnivore as I can. So I'm doing kind of like a ketovore thing right now, but it turned out delicious. So let me show y'all these ingredients again that I used. You can use whatever wraps that you want to if you're not keto or looking for, if you want to use regular flour tortillas, you can. I'm more of the not using wheat and grain stuff with grains in it. So Siete is grain free in most of their stuff that I've looked at, including their tortilla chips. I just want to show y'all the ingredients again on this. So this is the ingredients for this. I use 2 teaspoons of their taco seasoning. I just sprinkled some raw cheddar, but you can use any cheese that you want. I mixed in the ground beef after it was finished cooking. This butter case cheese, I got mine from Fry's. I believe you may be able to find this at Whole Foods as well. I fried my almond tortillas in duck fat. And then the sour cream that I'm using, you can get any kind that you want. I just picked this up, ridiculously good sour cream. It is good. This is the company, it's pasture raised. So that's that. And Peace out. Let me know if you tried this recipe and how you like it and how you jazzed it up to make it your own. Have a good Wednesday.